Hey, what's going on, crypto family? It's the Crypto Machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, back at you talking about this Solisium is the first dual risk daily ROI protocol. Protocol A, which is one side of the platform, is a 3% daily low risk yield contract that offers daily returns on their investment over a period of 180 days, bringing this to a total of 540% return. Based on the Souls token. So Souls token is their native token to their platform. This offers a stable and secure passive income stream for all users. Why is it stable? Because this is backed by a liquidity insurance vault that is automatically used in case of potential drainage. So it's the Souls is a non-inflationary token that's based on this platform. It's they take a 10% tax on all transactions to replenish the liquidity pool. So protocol B, which is the other side of the platform, is 8% daily high risk. I'm gonna say that again, high risk yield contract. Okay, so this is the plan for that is a 9-day compound requirement and a 1-day claim for a total of 10 days. So over the period of 10 days, you're going to compound for 9 days and claim 1 day. This is necessary so everyone can profit without drainage issues. We do not have a lock on claiming, but we trust that everyone will follow these rules. For those that don't, listen to this part. For those that don't, they risk being blacklisted on the 8% staking contract, losing their stake souls and returns. So you have to make sure that you follow this 9-in-1 ratio when you're compounding and claiming, because if you don't, you're going to lose your investment. All right, liquidity pool is separate from the 3% daily pool, so there's no risk of drainage of the entire contract, right? So they were talking about launching. I think they tried to launch before and then they had to go back and iron some things out. So this is, what I'm reading right now is some of the things I pulled out of the Telegram that jumped out at me. One person said on the 7th, he said he's used Polygon before, plenty before this project launched, and never had a single issue with transactions not going through. When this project launched, there were some wrinkles that needed ironing out with the contracts in sight, and we all got around it by increasing gas fees and changing RPCs. And it goes on to talk about, when people did that, it messed up their MetaMask settings and different things. He said some people that use the Trust wallet, they can execute transactions with defaults just fine, so on and so forth. So they were having problems initially with the initial launch. They talked about how bumpy the launch was, but they said the project itself is working pretty good on Polygon. I hope people give it a fair shot. So they talk about that, and then they talk about the bumpy launch, the FUD that was surrounded the launch, and they said, oh, you're giving souls on Polygon a bad rap, so on and so forth. So they had to come back. And explain why the launch was delayed, and so they came back and they talked about it, and they said, the more time spent error-proofing the contract, the better it is for longevity of a project. Due to recent attacks and recent DeFi history, we wanted to ensure we took every necessary step for stability and security. This extended time frame has also allowed to develop new features and create new use cases for your Solisium tokens. One example is the staking on steroids, which is the 8%. Which is that 8% high yield part of the contract. And it says that we have something else in mind as well. This also gives us more time to develop our marketing approach. Stay tuned. It says, will I still be able to migrate Sol tokens? They say, yes, if you have an active stake or tokens are inside your wallet, you'll be able to migrate your tokens to BSC. So you see this countdown down here for the BSC launch in 1 day and 20 hours. 27 minutes and 29 seconds here. So it's a countdown for their BSC launch for their site, for you to be able to use the Binance tokens on their site. So they talked about the referral system and a drawing that they were having, so on and so forth. So once this thing launches, I mean, when you look at this, when you look at how this thing started out, it started out at like almost $18, and then it dropped all the way down to, you know, $1.10. And I believe this drop on the 5th of April, it was either a sell-off or it was when, you know, they may have tried to do an initial launch and they weren't successful because of all the problems that they were having before. I don't know, but I don't know everything that was going on with this contract, but that was some of the things that we, you know, pulled out of Telegram. I saw people complaining in the Telegram here and there about different, you know, minor things. They have 1,400 members in their Telegram. This is part of the website. So they're talking about Polygon and Binance. I mean, you know, do your own research. Don't invest with anything that you can't afford to lose. On here, it looks like you could still buy some of these souls with Matic. So I don't know. I'm gonna wait until the BSC part of the website launches, where you can actually use BSC to purchase and swap and do different things. But you know, I'm gonna wait until that launches before I try to even touch this thing. And hopefully by then they've worked out all the kinks of what people are talking about in Telegram, and you know, they have everything smoothed out like they said they would, so that, you know, this thing could be successful. This was supposed to be like the drip fork. You know, for those of you familiar with drip, this is supposed to be the drip fork on the Polygon network. So I don't know if that worked out on Polygon. Maybe it didn't. That's why they're probably introducing the BSC part of the website, because their Polygon launch wasn't as successful. I don't know, but we'll find out, and we'll see, you know, if this thing lives up to what they're claiming. 3% daily return on staking on the low risk side, and then on the high risk side, 8% daily return. So we'll see what happens. Hey, if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share the video with others, and let me know what you think about Solisium. Peace.